Hello friends, my name is Chandu. Today I am going to explain about the AWS Step Functions and API Gateway. First, let's go into the AWS Step Functions. Before you go there, I'm going to tell you about what's the use of this. What if you could use both automate multi functions at the same time for the tasks like onboarding or or order fulfillment or without using any major servers. So so this is how we gonna useful for this with step functions and API gateway. First, what is AWS step functions? AWS step functions or orchestrates serverless workflows like Lambda, DynamoDB, SNS, and it's also a visual drag and drop builder. It is also automate retires error handling. First, let me go into the AWS console. Now I'm in the AWS console, so I'm searching for the step functions. So this is step functions. Now you can see over here get started. By clicking in that, you can enter into the workflow studio, so that you have to create the uh, run hello world, and then you can choose the template and you can create your own. Now first, in these in step functions, first lets you design for the workflows that can coordinate with the Lambda, DynamoDB, and more. Think of it as like a flowchart. It's you can see over on the screen. It's like a flowchart, so that these are the steps you have to follow for the next task for your cloud task. And the next one, one second. API gateways role. API gateways creates the RESTful APIs to trigger workflows and handles authentication. It scales automatically. First, let me go through the API AWS console, and I'm searching for the API gateway. Once, and you can see I'm going for the REST API. In this, in the REST API setup, first you have to exposes your flow as a service like HTTP and those you can see over there. I'm perfect for the front end and mobile apps. In this, I'm gonna show you how to create it. You can see it's a new API or import API or clone existing API, example API. You gonna type what your API name, and you can give a description about that, and this is how you're gonna create REST API. And this is how we're gonna create the these are the conceptual this is a conceptual video, so that you can create. One second. Yeah. And what is the you can see the flowchart. First we have to go uh, the flowchart for the workflow. First you're gonna request for the API, and you can steps into the step functions, and in that it's step function acts as a flowchart, so that first it goes to the Lambda, and then it works as DynamoDB, and then it's gonna send you the SNS email or whatever you are link with that. This is the conceptual video of the AWS set functions and the API gateway. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and wait for my next video. Thank you.